Good morning, children. Today we'll be continuing with our chapter number 1. So in today's class we'll start a new topic called estimation. Okay, estimation means like in Kannada we can say andaju ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, because when we are saying some kind of value like amount means we will round it off to some value, right? Say for example, if something some items prices, for example mobile, one mobile I want to buy one mobile means it is 7899 point some paise they'll say, but when we are saying we'll round it off to 8000 and say andaju 8000 rupees, right? Like that we won't say specific numbers every time. Okay, it's very difficult to remember, so we will round it off and write, say like approximately this much, approximately that much, we'll say like that. Now that is what we'll be learning in today's class. Okay, this is very easy, children, but you have many number of topics in one lesson only, that's why I am going very slow. Okay, so see, in past 2 weeks we completed only like 3/4 of the chapter. We still have 3 more topics to go. Okay, but it's okay, we'll learn very slowly, because from 6th standard, 6th and 7th standard maths is little difficult, because for high school and all you should have all the basics, no? So the portions will be more, but I want you to understand well. If you are not understanding any topic, please contact me, children. Okay, don't be scared, don't be like, oh no, school is not there, why do we have to study? Please don't be like that. Please contact us. I am going very slow, sometimes I am giving only 1 or 2 subjects only. Okay, so that you will complete the work properly. Okay, every homework I give is very important, everything will be checked. Okay, don't be like, oh ma'am won't check, and don't feel like not writing homework. Don't do like that, children. Don't cheat, please. Solve everything honestly. If you're not understanding, contact me. Okay, I'll teach you again. That won't be a problem. Okay, we are here to teach you only. Okay, so let's continue. Estimation I told you now, like approximately this much value, if you are rounding off to some point. See, for example, look at this flags in the ruler. Okay, see 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, as so on till 271. Okay, if I look at 261, it is nearer to 260, like tens place, no? That is 660, 260 it is near. So instead of saying 261, I'll say it's 260. Okay, what about 263? I'll say it's near to 260 only. Okay, but what about 267? It is not near to 260, but it is near to 270. This and this are the tens place here, 260, 270. Right, where in tens place we can round off means these two are nearer to 270. So instead of writing 267, I'll write 270. 269 ಬರೆಯೋ ಬದಲು 270 ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. See children, here instead of 265, except 265, whichever, see ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಲೆಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, 5ಗಿನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ everything is near to 260 before value. More than 5 ಇದ್ರೆ 6, 7, 8, 9 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಲೈಕ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 265 ಬಂದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಐದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಿಡಲ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 260 ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 270 ಆಲ್ಸೋ. If you are not understanding this, we'll solve some problems, then you will be able to understand it better. Okay, see, just write down estimation. 15th main, estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. Okay, nearest tens place we should look at. See, here they have given 28, tens place is 2, no? So here it should come 20 or 30, adra madhyadalli. Okay, see, 20 is there, 30 is there, in middle 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 will come. Okay, where will 28 come? Here, no? It is more than 5. So what it will come? It will come to greater value. So the answer will be 30. Okay, understood, children? See, here it is 32, 31, 32. So 30, 31, 32. It's less than 5, no? 2 is less than 5. So this number will be as it is, that is nearest to 30. Okay, here also 52, 2 is less than 5. So nearest value is 50 only. Okay, but here it is 48, 8 place after tens place ಏನಿದೆ 8 place is more than 5. So ಅದು 40 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ +1 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 50, because 40, 49, 50. 50 only very near, no? 39 gatra adu 40. 41 ge 40 only. What about 64? 4 is less than 5, so 60. What about 59? It's more than 5, so 60. What about 99? 100. Okay, so till now we saw only 2 digit numbers. Here we have 3 digit numbers. Here also this is units, tens, hundreds, but we are rounding off at tens place only. So if that is like that, means see 5 exactly in middle, so I can write 210 or 220 also. Here the hundreds place 2 will be same, it won't be changed at all. Okay, and tens and units place only will be changed, children. See here, units, tens, 5 is the tens place, so in units place 53 is nearer to 50 only, no, because it is less than 5, so 1450. We are rounding off at only tens place only. Okay, you should search which is the tens place, we should round off there. Okay, so 2936, tens place is 3, 6 is more than 5, so it will become plus 1 here, so 2940, 2940. This is how you round off by tens. Okay, see, estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off. Nearest hundreds we should round off. So till now we saw tens place only, now we will say hundreds place. Units, tens, hundreds. Okay, in hundreds place it is 8. Okay, but in tens place we have to look at now. See, tens place 4 is less than 5, so it is nearer to 800. 810, 820, 830, 840, so it is nearer to 800, so I'll write 800. Here units, tens, hundreds, 5 is the hundreds place. Next but 3 is less than 5, so I'll round it out as 9500. Again here units, tens, hundreds, that is 7 admal 3, the 3 is less than 5, so 49700. Okay, next one, units, tens, hundreds, that is 5. Here next place 4 is less than 5, so as it is 2500 is nearest. Okay, next one also units, tens, hundreds. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, but here it is 8 is more than 5, so the nearest place will be 300, because the next place is more than 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 1 add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 286 300 ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Children, I am speaking in Kannada also so that you will understand it better. Okay, please follow me, answer it once or twice. If you write means you will be able to understand it very well. Okay, maths ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎತ್ತಿಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, you should keep on practicing. Okay, so next one, units, tens, hundreds, 7. Here 50 is there, so it is like exactly in middle, so I can write 5700 also or 5800 also. Okay, you can say this is 5800 only. In some textbooks they will give 5800 only. Okay, but it is exactly near, no, because it's in between only. Okay, next one also units, tens, hundreds, 168. In 6 is greater than 5, it is nearer to 200. Okay, again here also 149, it's near to 100 because 4 is less than 5. Then 877 is greater than 5, 9900. Okay, this is how you do it, rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, let's look at the next one, estimating the nearest thousands by rounding off. Okay, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So thousands place is 2, the next place is 5. Okay, so I can write, see 5 is exactly in middle, but after 5 it is coming 73, right? So I'll write this as, it's not exactly 2500, so I will write it as 3000 only. Okay, ಇದು 500 ಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, right? Next this one also, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 3. Again it's more than 500, so 54,000. Okay, the same way I want you to answer the remaining 4. Okay children, see this is very easy, but I want you to write it like solve it in classwork one time, by seeing in homework one time also. Okay children, I'll give you these answers also so that you will know, because I am not getting any kind of reply from you. 6,404, 4 is less than 5, so 6,000. Okay, next 65,437, 65,000. Okay, 7,805, 8,000. 899, see here only 3 places are there, units, tens, hundreds. Where to round off at thousands place, you might be wondering. Here thousands place is there, just it is 0. Okay, next place 8 is there, no, 8 is more than 5, so it will become 1,899. 1000 gatra ಇದೆ, thousands place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1000 gatra ಇದೆ. Okay, so write this in classwork one time, follow the video, write this in classwork one time very slowly, then in homework book just write down the questions, close the book, then try to answer it yourself, children. Okay, then you can cross check. This is how you do all your maths problems. Every day I am solving, no, one time classwork you have to write by following the video, next in homework book just write the questions and answer without seeing. Okay, I wanted to answer this one also, children. See in page number 20 it's given, no, approximate to nearest. I wanted to solve this one also. See 75,847, in tens place we have to approximate or estimate. Okay, round off. See 47 is there, in next 7 placements it will become 50, 75,850, like that. In hundreds place, in thousands place, in 10,000 place, they want you to round it off. Okay, so this is the end of today's class. I'll send you social class also, I'll send it to you a little bit later. For now please finish this one, children. Thank you.